Water your tomato seedlings. By summer, you'll be harvesting them by the bucketful. Your tomato seedlings need good fertilizer to grow into strong, healthy plants. To start, grab some empty plastic bottles and carefully cut each one in half with a utility knife. Place these covers over your seedlings. They'll act as a mini greenhouses, protecting young plants from the cold and providing stable conditions for growth. This helps the seedlings develop faster and makes them less prone to disease. To make them grow like crazy, use the right fertilizer. In a larger container, add 1 small packet of dry yeast. This will speed up plant growth. Then, pour in about 3½ fluid ounces of milk for calcium and disease protection. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Finally, pour in about 1 quart of water and mix the solution well. Water your tomato seedlings with this mix. It'll strengthen them, help them root faster, and make them more resistant to disease. It's a fantastic natural method that will leave you with healthy, productive tomatoes. 3 natural ways to ripen tomatoes. Don't buy artificial ripening agents. If you've harvested green tomatoes from your garden, don't worry. They don't have to go to waste. You can let them ripen indoors while keeping that fresh, sun-kissed flavor. Take a whole green tomato vine and place the tomatoes on a sunny windowsill with an apple. Position them stem side down so they're less likely to rot and stay firm. The apple releases ethylene, a natural ripening gas, helping your tomatoes turn beautifully red faster than you'd expect while keeping their full summer aroma. You can also hang the vine on a string in a bright spot, ideally by a window. This way, the tomatoes ripen slowly but evenly, holding on to their rich flavor and fresh-from-the-vine look. Another trick is to use an empty egg carton. Place green tomatoes in the compartments, add a banana peel, and let it work like a mini greenhouse. The peel, like the apple, releases ethylene, while the carton lets air circulate and keeps warmth in, creating perfect ripening conditions. Keep them in a warm spot, and with a little patience, you'll capture the taste of your garden and enjoy homegrown tomatoes even after summer fades. Here's how to get rid of stink bugs on your tomatoes. Even experienced gardeners don't know this trick. Stink bugs are the worst enemies of ripe tomatoes. They show up just when the fruit is nearly ready to harvest, sucking out the juice and leaving deformed, discolored spots. This simple method will eliminate them fast. Ivy, a common ornamental plant, contains saponins, natural compounds that foam and irritate insects. That makes it a great natural repellent for stink bugs and other pests. You'll need about 10 ivy leaves. Cut them into smaller pieces and place them in a tall container. Pour in about 1 quart of very warm water. Let the mixture sit for 1 hour so the ivy can release its active compounds. After that, pour the liquid into a bottle. Now comes the second ingredient. Vinegar. It's a natural substance with a strong smell that insects dislike. Add about 4 tablespoons of vinegar to the ivy mix. Fill a sprayer with 2 quarts of water, then add the mixture and close it up. Now, spray the tomato leaves and fruit thoroughly. Use the spray every few days during the summer season. This method acts as a natural shield for your plants. Stink bugs will disappear, and your tomatoes will stay healthy and damage-free. Add a cup to water and pour it on your plants. Your tomatoes will keep producing until the first frost. Late summer is a crucial time for tomatoes. If you give them the right support, they'll reward you with beautiful, juicy fruits. At this stage, it's best to stop using nitrogen-rich fertilizers, which only encourage leafy growth. What the plants need now is something completely different. Into a large bucket with about 2½ gallons of water, add 1 cup of wood ash. Ash is rich in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. It helps fruits ripen, strengthens the plants, and makes them more resistant. It also improves soil structure, making it easier for the roots to absorb nutrients. Regular use of ash reduces the risk of fungal diseases that often strike tomatoes late in the season. Mix everything well and water your plants. You'll quickly notice that the fruits are larger and the plants stronger. It's a simple, natural way to enjoy your harvest right up until the first frost. Use this natural fertilizer once every 10 days, and you'll see just how long and abundantly your tomatoes can produce. This simple trick can save your crops at the end of summer. Just make a few vertical cuts in the soil right next to the tomato whose roots you want to limit. The roots of this plant can spread far to the sides, drawing water from a large area. This way, the tomato has controlled access to moisture. It's a quick and easy solution that works perfectly on rainy days at the end of the season. Do this now and your tomatoes will ripen faster. A brilliant trick nobody talks about. If you have plants full of large but still green tomatoes, this method will help you enjoy juicy red fruit much sooner. It's a natural technique that requires no chemicals or extra fertilizers, yet gives great results. What's more, it doesn't change the taste of the tomatoes. It actually enhances their natural sweetness. Gardeners have used it for years, but it's rarely mentioned because it takes a bit of courage. The best time to do it is in September, when tomatoes are already big but still green. That's when cutting the roots helps them ripen faster. Do it carefully, right next to the root ball. This way, the plant limits its intake of water and nutrients, so it no longer invests energy in growing leaves and stems. Instead, all the strength is directed into the fruit, which starts turning red much faster. Cutting too early can weaken the plant and harm the harvest, so use this method only at the end of the season. Just 1 quart of this mix, and your tomato plants will be loaded with fruit. Do it once, and your tomatoes will produce 5 times more. The fruits will be large, healthy, and sweet. The secret lies in simple homemade ingredients. Start by filling a large bucket with about 2.5 gallons of water. Rainwater works best. The first ingredient is something you use every day: milk. It's a true gem for plants. Milk contains calcium, which strengthens plants and supports root development. It also protects against fungal diseases, crucial for tomatoes. Add about 3/4 of a cup of milk to the water. Now, for something you probably drink at home, just 1 tea bag is enough. Add a small handful of chamomile tea to the mix. Chamomile acts as a natural antiseptic, boosting plant immunity and encouraging fruit growth. Stir everything well. Water your plants at the base with this solution. Use it every 2 weeks, and your tomatoes will reward you with an abundant harvest. The fruits will be bigger, juicier, and full of flavor. A simple method that works even better than store-bought chemicals. 1 cup of this mixture can replace a large amount of manure. It's like liquid gold that will completely transform your garden. You won't need to buy expensive fertilizers anymore. Add 3 tablespoons of potato starch to a blender. It provides plants with 3 essential minerals: potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, all necessary for healthy growth. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar, which supports the development of beneficial soil microorganisms and increases organic matter, helping plants grow more vigorously. Next, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric, which has antifungal and antibacterial properties, improves nutrient absorption, and protects plants from diseases. Pour in 1 liter of cold water and blend everything thoroughly. Measure 1 cup of the mixture and dilute it in 10 liters of water. Use this to water your plants and soil. This is an excellent natural fertilizer for vegetables, flowers, and other plants. Your garden will look like it came straight from a professional catalog.